Hey everyone, Mike Sherry with Sherry 4x4, and we are super excited to show you this new arrival here at the dealership today. This is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler, but as you can see, it's not any ordinary Wrangler. This Wrangler's been upfitted with a 2-inch lift, and all the parts used are Jeep Performance parts, so they're backed by the factory warranty. The 2-inch lift allows you to upgrade the wheels to 20-inch wheels. They are BBY alloy wheels wrapped in 35-inch rubbers. The shocks themselves are Fox shocks. These shocks are engineered for this particular Wrangler to allow for maximum performance. Really looks slick with that 2-inch lift up there as you take a look at the Jeep going down the road or even sitting out here in the snow like we have today. And here around the back, what we've done, we've upfitted with the same wheel and tire that you see on the rest of the Jeep. That means we had to put a little bit bigger and stiffer mount, but it still mounts right on the door and swings open just like the factory Jeeps. All right, welcome in this new Jeep Wrangler. As you can tell, with all new features in these Wranglers, super comfortable. This particular one comes with the hard top, which means when you're going down the road, this Wrangler is one of the quietest that Jeep has ever built. And it's a 3-piece hardtop, so you can take off the 2 front pieces up here just like the T-tops in your old Chevrolet Camaro and enjoy the sun and the outdoors just like you do in all Wranglers. This particular Wrangler comes with an infotainment center here that's going to be your radio, Sirius radio, heated seats, even heated steering wheel on this particular one. So a lot of nice features there. Does still have the mechanical shifter here for the 4-wheel drive. You can go 4 high or 4 low, or keep it in 2 high if you're on the road. Does have the center shifter here as well, and overall just a super comfortable Jeep. So we welcome you to come in, take a test drive in one of these Jeeps. As always, we do ship these nationwide, just like you would order a pizza, so we can ship it right to your door. And give us a call for more information about that. This particular Jeep comes with a 5-year 60,000-mile warranty that covers all the components that it's been upfitted with, alongside of all the remaining factory warranty. Because we use Jeep Performance parts, it does not void any factory warranty there. So that's always a question that does come up, and that is something a lot of people do themselves, is they'll put different kind of parts on that will void the warranty. So it's a great deal on this particular Jeep. We welcome you to give us a call, even stop in the dealership. And with that, my name's Mike, and Brian's behind the camera. And we appreciate you watching the video.